This is cheap. Esto es barato. This is cheap. I returned it. Lo devolví. I returned it. I need more time. Necesito más tiempo. I need more time. I work in a warehouse. Trabajo en un almacén. I work in a warehouse. Do one at a time. Haz uno a la vez. Do one at a time. I'm pumping gas. Estoy bombeando gasolina. I'm pumping gas. Finish it today. Termínalo hoy. Finish it today. Did you go? Fuiste? Did you go? I came home. Llegué a casa. I came home. I start tomorrow. Empiezo mañana. I start tomorrow.